my nature talk. So when you feel like the world is constantly beating you the fuck down, come out there and wave to the nature, man. What's up, my son? Yeah. So that's when I do it. Nature talk. Everybody has to become one with nature. If not, then you're totally lost out here in this world. Point blank period. I don't get it sometimes. I really don't get it. But like I tell my peoples all the time, some things not meant for us to understand. And I guess this will be those things that's not meant for me to understand. I don't think too hard on certain shit anymore as I used to. There's a lot of things I don't do anymore that I once done a lot of. Situations have changed. I have changed as a person. In some situations, you got people that take advantage of your kindness and your love. There's a lot of people out here that does that. They do a lot of it too, But it's like this. When you understand certain shit, it makes it easier for you to be able to deal with certain shit. So a person may think that they are getting over on you, or they done pulled the wool over your eyes. But when you become who you really are, your true self, and you've reached that level of being your true self, there's nothing that can affect you. There's nothing nobody can do nor say to hurt you. Like, it's a lot of shit that at one point in time, man, I would have went completely off. I would have went completely the fuck off. You hear me? But I don't. I don't even get upset as I once did. I don't even get as upset as I once did. I am truly growing as who I am. I am truly forming into the God that I was meant to be. And I see it every day. Just based off of, situations that I deal with on a day-to-day basis, and ways that I would have reacted to these situations at one point in time of my life, and the fact that I don't at all now. I don't entertain bullshit, nor do I accept it. Now don't get it twisted. We have our days where we might jump out there, We have our days. Everybody has their days. Nobody is perfect. Let me say that. There is no sort of such thing as anyone being perfect. That shit will never happen. No relationships, friendships, whatever ships. There is no such thing as perfect. So stop looking for that. Men, stop looking for a perfect woman. women. Stop looking for a perfect man. You're never going to find that. Learn to accept people for who they are. Learn to respect or accept their good and their bad. Love people for who they are. Love them for their good and their bad. If the good outweighs the bad, work with it. If their bad isn't life-threatening situations, if their bad isn't situations that'll cause you to take a life or send yourself to prison for doing something off the wall, then rock with it. That's your problem. Everybody be out here expecting perfectness. Like, you're never going to get that. That's where a lot of y'all relationships fail, because everybody be looking for this perfect. Ain't nothing other going to be perfect, you fucking dumb, stupid motherfuckers. The fuck perfect? Ain't no such thing. Fuck, you better accept people for who they are, because that's who they are. Motherfucking stupid as shit. That's your problem. That you goofy motherfuckers be hopping into situations too fast. Or you women be allowing these niggas to fuck y'all too fast. And it's like, once that happen, it's either you catch feelings or they catch feelings. And then it turned into something that it never should have been in y'all world. You know? Because in my world, everything that happens is meant to happen. However it go, it was meant for it to go that way. In my world. But in y'all world, y'all would say that, oh, well, that wasn't supposed to happen like that. It was supposed to only been this, and then that was it. Yeah, of course you would say that. Why would you say that? Because you don't even understand who the fuck you are. And if you don't understand who you are, you're not going to understand nothing that's happening within your life. Nothing. So, like I tell y'all all the time, first get a clear understanding. First get a clear understanding of who you are, then you can understand everything that happens and occurs within your life. I promise you will. I wake up happy. I wake up highly favored. I wake up in good spirit every day. Every day. Every day. Where I mess up at, I allow the outside world to affect my day. It happens. It doesn't happen all the time. It's not a daily thing. I'll tell you that. Definitely not. Because before I allow motherfuckers on the internet or even in my personal life to affect my day-to-day life, I will get off the internet. I will not answer my phone. There's times where I will cut my phone off and just leave it off for hours. To the point it's like whoever was trying to call me will stop. Whoever wanted to call me won't. I mean, this is what I mean when I tell y'all you gotta learn to protect your energy. Doing shit like that is me protecting my energy. If I know things that's gonna, if I know things that's gonna upset me,